Hi everyone, this is topic number 20, verify trigonometric identities by using sum and difference identities. So what are the sum and difference identities? That is sine a plus minus b, cos a plus minus b, and tan a plus minus b. So what are the formulas for this? Sine a plus minus b. Okay, so if sine a plus b, this will give you sine a cos b plus cos A sin B. Now if it is sin A minus B, then it will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That's it. Now what about cos A plus minus B? That will give you cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So what happens in this one? In this one the sign is opposite. So this is plus minus. Here it will be minus plus. So if I write cos A plus B, I will take minus. If I write cos A minus B, then I will take plus here. Now in this one it was same. So if it is plus minus, then it will remain the same, plus and minus. Now what about tan A plus minus B? So this formula is also very simple. Tan A plus tan B divide 1 minus tan A tan B. That is the formula for tan A plus B. Now what if it is minus? Then tan A minus B, in the numerator it will be minus, and in the denominator it will be plus. Okay, that's how it works. Now let's start some example. And now remember all these sum and difference identities so you can solve these questions. So first question we have cos pi over 2 plus theta is equal negative sine theta. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side, so I will use the trigonometric sum identity here, cos A plus B. That will give you cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? So I can substitute this here. So let's apply the formula now. This will give you cos pi over 2. Why? Because A is pi over 2 and B is theta. So cos pi over 2 cos theta minus sine pi over 2 sine theta, right? I just substitute A value here, B value here. A is pi over 2, B is theta. A is pi over 2, B is theta. Now if you know that cos pi over 2 is 0, what is the value of cos pi over 2? The value of cos pi over 2 is 0. You can use the calculator and you will see that cos pi over 2 is 0. Okay, let me just show it to you here. Now if you will just simply go and type like cos pi over 2, then you will get it error, okay, because it is in degree here. If you notice here, this is in degree. So if I put equal, okay, this is giving 0.099 something, okay, so which is wrong. So this is wrong one. Now what I will do here, if I want to find cos pi over 2, so first I will need to change here angle unit from degree to radian. Now I can apply cos shift pi over 2, and that will give you 0, okay, because pi is in radian. If you want to solve normally using the degree, then what will I do? Then you will normally have degree, and what you can do is cos pi is how much? 180 degree. Pi is 180 divide 2, and in this case also you will get 0. So if you have degree here, don't forget to change pi as 180 degree, okay? If you simply write pi over 2, you will get it wrong, okay? That will wrong. In some calculator it might give you error, some calculator might give you some answer, okay? So yep, let's discuss, continue from here. So if this is 0, so this 0 multiplies something is 0. So my answer is, now sine pi by 2 is 1. This also you should remember, or else you can solve using the calculator. Just now I showed you. Sine pi by 2 is 1. So this will give you minus sine theta. That's your answer. So minus sine theta is equal to minus sine theta. That is how you will do it. Okay. It is just two-step solution. I just showed you all the things that you have to do. Now let's speed up a bit. Cos 60 degree plus theta is equal sine 30 degree minus theta. So first I will solve cos 60 plus theta. So this is again cos A cos B cos 60 cos theta minus sine A sine B. And cos 60 is how much? So let's solve using the calculator. Cos 60 degree 1 over 2 and sine 60 degree will be square root 3 over 2, right? Okay, so now substitute the value, that is 1 over 2 multiply with cos theta minus square root 3 over 2 sine theta, right? Now let's solve this one. If you want to further simplify this one, you can do it 1 over 2 as a common outside, and you can write cos theta minus square root 3 sine theta. Okay, that will be your simplified expression. But since I don't have enough space, so I have to remove it from here. Now let's solve sine 30 minus theta. Sine 30 degree minus theta. And this is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Right? Now what is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 1 over 2. You can do in your calculator. 1 over 2 multiply with cos theta minus, what is cos 30 degree? That is square root 3 over 2. Use your calculator to solve it, or it will be better if you directly remember the values now. Now if you see here, equation 1 and equation 2, they both are equal, same. So when they are same, you can say cos 60 plus theta is equal to sine 30 minus theta. So that's proved. Okay, next question. Cos 180 degree plus theta is equal negative cos theta. Now let me tell you the trick now. Now you know the trigonometric identities, so you can solve it. Okay. Now what you can do is you can try theta as some angle. So let's take theta as 60 degree. Okay. If I take theta as 60 degree, then it will be cos 180 plus 60 is equal negative cos 60, right? So this will be cos 240 minus cos 60. So are they equal? So just solve cos 240. Cos 240, that will give you negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 is equal. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 over 2. I'm 100% sure. 1 over 2. So that's how you do it. Negative 1 over 2 is equal negative 1 over 2. That's it. So this is another way you can try. And last question. Tan theta plus 45 degree is equal 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. So if you want to solve using first method, method 1 says use the formula tan A plus B is equal tan A plus tan B. This is T, okay? I mean, sometime I write capital T, sometime I'm writing a small t, so don't get confused. Okay, let me just change tan. Okay, so this is tan A minus tan B. Oh, sorry, not. This is 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, so that is our formula that I have wrote down at the beginning. Now what you will do, now A is theta and B is 45 degree. So when you will put here tan theta plus 45 degree, that will give you tan theta plus tan 45 degree. and tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. And similarly here 1 minus tan theta, tan 45 degree, tan 45 degrees, tan 45 degree is nothing but 1. You can put in the calculator, you will get 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. So just substitute the value here, it will be 1. This will also be 1. So if you just change, because I have limited space, so tan 45 1, tan 45 1, this will be remaining, and you can write tan theta plus 1 as 1 plus tan theta. That's not a problem. Tan theta plus 1 will be 1 plus tan theta, same thing. So if you see, that is your method 1. Now method 2, what was the method 2? In the method 2 you will select some angle. What you will do, you will select some angle. So what angle do you want to select? So try it by yourself, select some angle and see if you can get the right answer. If you are getting the same, okay? So let's take theta as 45 degree, right? So tan, okay, tan 90 will be undefined, I guess, right? So let's take theta as 0 degree. That will be better. Theta is 0 degrees, so tan 0 plus 45 will give you 45, and that is 1 plus tan 0 over 1 minus tan 0. Tan 0 is nothing but 0. So 1 over 1 will give you 1. Tan 45 degree is also 1. Okay. Okay. So that's how we do it. Now you try with some other angle, and that's how you can try these questions. So don't forget to try both the methods. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.